Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I heard your request after my last oil painting tutorial to make a tutorial on a simple pencil sketching video, because I know that there is a lockdown going on and all of you are at home. So I wanted to do something really simple so that everyone can try it, and now that you're in lockdown, you'll be able to pass your time. So I have made something very easy, and I really hope that anyone can try. And all you need for that is one pencil and one chart paper or any note. You just need a pencil. One pencil is more than enough. You don't even need to have an eraser. You need to have one pencil, one chart paper, that's it. Alright, this is what I managed to make for you guys. It's very easy. So keep watching this tutorial and let's meet on the other end.
So I prefer using a normal sheet paper folded and use them as scale instead of scale. This is a technique we learned when I was preparing for a technical exam. So you can use the same thing if you don't have scale right now in your house. Also try drawing the circle with your hand. If it's not perfect, then go with the bangle. Just give simple strokes, that's more than enough. You don't have to really do anything. If possible, you can do a grade wash, but even a simple stroke will do a great thing. If you're going to do the grade wash like how I'm doing over here, remember to keep one side light and one side dark, as in the light falls on the one side of the leaves, so all the leaves coming on that side should be light. Okay. I'm drawing extra leaves because that part has become dirty, as the shades from my hand had been sticking on the paper. So if you want to avoid it, you can use a paper over it and then do the shadings, or just cover it up with something like how I did.
had a great time watching this tutorial. Do let me know if you would like to watch many such tutorials. I'm very happy to do them. And please do tag me on my Instagram if you're gonna try this. I'll be very happy to see the work. I'll be able to know that my video is not going in vain. So please do try. I mean, it's very easy. So please do try, and when you post them, do tag me so that I'll be able to see how we have done. So until next time, I see you. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this if you like this video, and share this with the people you think should watch it now. So that's it for today. Bye bye.